Friends, this is Summer Days DIYs. Our host is Six Kids and a Glue Gun and Lady in Red Crafting. The guest host is East Coast Mama. Please check out their channel in the description box, and please check out the playlist of all the other amazing creators to find fun summer DIYs. Okay, I've tried to use the ribbon, which I'd really like to, but the hole in this isn't big enough. So I have to go down to this really tiny twine because this is going on our bee tree, which I'll show you that in the reveal. We're working on a bee tree. Oops. I didn't pass Knot 101. I was a farm girl. I didn't have time for Girl Scout, so I missed out on that. Spend too much time with the beef cows. Okay, now to cover up that knot, I'm going to add some hot glue. And of course, you know I love bows. My bee's going to have a little bow on the top of his head, her head, because I can. Okay, we're going to start with the Easter egg. And we're going to snip the leftover ribbon. And we might as well get this used up. Let's do it by hand. Let's see if it does better. And I know you're saying, why yellow? You'll see. It'll be covered up. Bring your tails to the front. And that one needs trimmed. You can dovetail them if you want. But with this size ribbon, you don't really have to. A V cut will work just as fine. Now we're going to take a little sunflower. This is why I said it didn't really matter about what color we chose for a pipe cleaner. You could also use string if you didn't have pipe cleaner. But I got a mountain of pipe cleaner behind me, so easy to grab. I'm going to add this to the center. And then I have these bees, because this is going to be another piece for our bee tree. We got a lot of little items we're making for our bee tree and our bee mantle, because this may be the last mantle and the last tree in this house. So we want to make it pretty. We made the big beehive. Now we're going to do a small one. And this is cold glue, so you don't have to worry about burning your fingers. That's why I like to use it on projects like this. It helps keep the fingers from being burned. And then just keep repeating and wrapping this egg with your twine all the way up. And you want to continue pushing it together because it'll come out. It likes to come apart, so you want to keep pushing that twine together so you don't have gaps as you go. Just add a little hot glue here and there as you go up the egg. Okay, I took a piece of wire, there's 2 holes in the egg already, and put it down through the egg and just twisted it through the bottom to make a hanger for our tree. But if you're just using this as like home decor, you don't need to do that. But since I'm using this as an ornament on our bee tree, I need a hanger. And then I'm just finishing off the top, which to me the top seems like it's always the most difficult to get it wrapped good. And get it finished off. But this is also a place that with our embellishment will be covered up. And I'm glad that was cold glue because I just stuck my finger right in it. Okay, and each side has bad sides. So this one has gaps. This side is our good side, which will be the front. So we'll start by adding our bow. Got to add a little tiny opening to our hive. Just like that. And then we'll go out and paint. Okay, let's get our bee filled in. Let's try this one. There, that's better. This is my first time doing one of these that it has it all colored in for you, and you just paint the colors. I found this at the Dollar Tree, but some other places has them too. I think you can find them on Etsy and on Amazon, but I've never really done one of these before. And I'm not so sure I like it. It's hard to follow the lines. And some of the lines are so close to the frame, it's like you should almost have painted it and then put the frame on. You get these, the marker that I'm using here, at Dollar General, which I really like because it has a finer tip. And it's great for like tracing this lettering. It's called a calligraphy pen. So that's what I really like it for doing the lettering. Okay, here's what we made. We made this sign. We made this little bee. And there's 3 of them on here. And we also made, with an plastic Easter egg, a mini